In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue refunds on Stripe quickly and easily. Whether you're running a small business or just getting started with online transactions, knowing how to issue a refund efficiently can make all the difference. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Stripe's official website at stripe.com. If you haven't yet signed in, you'll see a prominent button labeled Sign In somewhere at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on that. This action will redirect you to the secure login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. On the login page, you should see two fields, one for your email and the other for your password. Take a moment to fill in these details accurately. Accurate input ensures you avoid any login issues later on. After entering your email and password, look for the sign in button and click it. Now that you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Stripe dashboard. This is your home base for managing all transactions and account settings. From here, you'll want to head to the home section. It serves as a central hub where you'll be able to access further details about your transactions. Within the home section, locate and click on Transactions. This section will display all your recent and past transactions, detailing who paid what and when. Here, scroll through the list to find the specific transaction that you wish to refund. Identifying the correct transaction is crucial, so make sure to double check all details like the date, amount and customer's name. Once you've found the transaction you'd like to refund, glance towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled Refund. This is the option you'll want to select to initiate the refund process. Remember, this option is only available if you have a paid Stripe account, so ensure your account is up to date with the required payment plan. After clicking the refund button, you'll be prompted to specify how much of the transaction you'd like to refund. Stripe allows flexibility here, so you can choose to refund either the full amount or just a partial amount depending on the situation. Once you have decided on the amount, go ahead and input it in the designated field. Finally, there will be a Proceed button, typically found near the bottom of this section. Clicking Proceed will finalize your refund request, setting everything in motion. Stripe will start processing the refund immediately, and typically it takes a few days for the refunded amount to reflect in your customer's account. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully issued a refund on Stripe. Mastering these transactions can give you greater control and improve customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.